In the forest, nothing goes to waste. All materials get reused and all energy comes from the abundant resources of nature.
Humanity is learning to use the energy of nature. But we still have another lesson to learn. Where nature decomposes and reuses materials, humanity encapsulates precious materials in layers of glue which are impossible to separate.
That's why Biosphere Solar developed the ReModule 1.
An open source solar panel design that is laminate free, meaning it's not glued together, but made to be taken apart.
Each product comes with a product passport, so you know where the materials come from and how the panel was produced. We have established a network of experienced producers in Europe and China, which produce the panels at high quality, large volumes, and competitive prices.
The products come with a 10-year product warranty and a 30-year output warranty.
On top of this, Biosphere Solar is setting up a global take-back system that circulates all materials and components into new solar panels.
Do you have a solar project and want endless energy? Biosphere Solar is now shipping these panels worldwide. Go to our website to learn more.